If you're afraid to use a funnel, it's because you don't really understand marketing. And you've probably never done like one-to-one sales, because any sales experience tends to be these incremental movements towards an end result that both the person you're speaking to and the salesperson both want. That's in the best interest of everyone. And it's incremental. Even though it happens in one conversation, it happens incrementally. There's decisions made incrementally in that conversation. And that's what a funnel is. It's a way to incrementalize. Y'all don't know about that word. Incrementalize. I said it. Look it up in the dictionary if you don't know what it means, okay? It's a way to break the sales process into bite-sized pieces so that people who don't understand your process understand it way better, because you're only getting to one clear idea on each step of the funnel. So if you're not using a funnel, it's because you don't understand marketing. But we love you, but like, come on, there's enough proof. Let's go.